This pond has had problems with leaks in the basin. Rip out all the old liner as well as the old skimmer that is sitting over there. So what we're doing right now is setting our new aquascape skimmer.
We've got our biofalls leveled with our plumbing attached. So now we're going to backfill our biofalls and make sure everything remains level.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and attach this check valve. This check valve, what it does is all the water and everything in the plumbing and that'll be sitting in the biofalls that is being done up here, it's going to keep it there. It's going to keep it from draining down here and then just flooding back in here, raising all the water level. Very simple. Screw it on. And then what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and lower everything down into our skimmer here. It's a very simple design, and what will happen is this will actually get screwed onto here.